Want to install some cedar shakes? It's pretty easy. This house was built in 1926, so we're going with the whole cedar shake kind of look. So the first thing you're going to want to do is prep the surface and use some tar paper and staple it on. You can usually find these cedar shakes at Home Depot. They're in the roofing section. With my saw and clean up the edges and then pick out any of the stuff I don't like. These are these ones. Next, you're going to get your trim boards and then put those on. And I always just have my tops go past and my bottoms go past. And as you can see, we're transitioning into aluminum siding. On your first rail, you're going to do 2 layers. And the reason you do 2 layers, there's always wood behind this seam. So that's the biggest thing. And then I always like to do this at like 5.5 inches. And then I level a line across. And as you can see, I usually do about 2 nails per piece. And the biggest thing is make sure they're above your reveal, your 5.5 or. And then go through with this guy, the palm nailer. And it gives it that nice rustic look. And as you can see, this side is about 2 to 3 years old. And then we cut a hole in there to get the tub in. And then you could seal this, you could paint this, and you can see it's all up to you how much detail you want these to have. The last person that installed this wasn't me. Left knots here, there. It's up to you if you want, but I try to clean out a lot of that. I leave a little bit, but for the most part, I try to keep it nice and tight. Hope this helps you on your cedar shake journey.